Ever heard of a $470 billion worth lunch? Well, when two of the world's richest dine together, it ought to be an expensive one. Elon Musk and Bernard Arnault, the two richest people in the world, met for lunch in Paris on Friday, June 16. Pictures from their meeting were shared on Instagram by Antoine Arnault, the oldest son of Bernard Arnault. The Tesla CEO was accompanied by his mother, Maya Musk, while Bernard Arnault, chairman and CEO of LVMH, came with his two sons, Antoine and Alexandre Arnault. Arnault, the 74-year-old luxury goods executive with a family fortune worth an estimated $233 billion, told a French news program that he was meeting the Tesla CEO worth $237 billion for lunch because I know him and I think he is an exceptional entrepreneur. The two dined at Cheval Blanc, the luxury hotel chain that's owned by LVMH, Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, the luxury goods conglomerate founded by Arnault in 1987. The nature of Musk and Arnault's discussion over lunch were not made public, but could have included talks about Arnault's involvement with social media and advertising. Twitter has struggled with decreasing advertising revenue since he bought it in October, but Musk has just handed over the reins, heralding a potential new era for the platform. After lunch, Elon Musk attended the 7th edition of the Viva Technology Conference, which was held from June 14 to June 17 in Paris, France. The annual conference was founded by the Publicis Groupe SA and Les Echos, which are owned by LVMH. It is Europe's biggest startup and tech event aimed at promoting innovation by connecting tech leaders, startups, major corporations, and investors. Elon Musk and Bernard Arnault were among the official speakers at the technology conference. Other speakers included French President Emmanuel Macron, co-founder of Salesforce Marc Benioff, and VP and Chief AI Scientist at Meta Yann LeCun, among others. Emmanuel Macron also shared a picture with Elon Musk on Twitter where the two were seen smiling and shaking hands. "Let's work together," the French president wrote. The lunch between Musk and Arnault comes as the American billionaire is traveling in Europe. Musk is currently reviewing different countries that are vying to host the second Tesla factory in Europe. The automaker already has a vehicle production plant near Berlin, Germany. The Tesla CEO recently reclaimed the title of being the richest person in the world. Bernard Arnault has surpassed him in December when the tech industry was struggling, but luxury showed resilience in the face of inflation. Bernard Arnault's LVMH owns brands including Louis Vuitton, Hennessy, and Fendi.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.